I don't know what the future will hold. It's a long road ahead of me. There's something seductive about the idea of greatness, a reason so many of us crave it. Napoleon spent much of his youth studying greatness, trying to find the force that united men like Alexander the Great, Augustus, Constantine. Oftentimes, I wonder, what did he find? But as I think about greatness, I find that maybe those I admire most never really wanted to be great. Little by little, I'm realizing that maybe greatness isn't the answer. Because in humility, there is humanity. And in humanity, there's the understanding that we can always learn more. That's when the urge for greatness is replaced with the urge to transcend. I just think that in trying to transcend, I might understand what all of this is about. My art in general. That's how I want to grow. Even still, transcendence is a pretty daunting word. In the everyday, minutes easily turn into hours, hours into days, days into weeks, months, even years. You get lost in the noise and time becomes the enemy. That's when we need our greatest ally, passion. But passion isn't all it takes. It's just a step to get there, to the unwavering pursuit of art. I want to understand my art, how my thirst for creation connects to that beyond myself. I want to learn as much as I can, to seek growth. Art is the closest we can get to true creation. It's the one thing that separates us from every other creature on this planet. Only by committing to making the best art possible, to connecting with people, to exploring what it means to be people, to learning as much as I can, to fully delving into my creativity, to contributing to the cultural landscape, to inspiring and being inspired, could I finally understand what my art is all about? Could I get that one step closer to transcendency? Those who only seek to be great can be ill-remembered. But when you strive to grow and not to be, you're more than just what you're remembered by. That's what it means to try to transcend.